Welcome to another session in the Saga Tapestry Project, sponsored by the National Nordic Museum of the United States in Seattle, Washington. I am your host and instructor, Claudia Pétursson. If you are unfamiliar with this project, please refer to the introductory video titled The Saga Tapestry Project of Iceland. If you have not already purchased a kit to join us, please go to the National Nordic Museum online store shown in the link below. All right, let's get started. Special stitches, changing direction. You can see that we have done our outline stitch across the top part of the turtle dove wing. Now we need to change direction and complete the bottom part of the wing. If we continue on, just taking our next stitch, we are not following the pattern, and we have a stitch that is crossing over the linen field and marring the outline. This will not be attractive as we continue on with the outline of the wing. So we'll pull out that last stitch, and now starting from the last stitch of our outline stitch, we will take a special stitch. We take a tiny stitch behind the last outline stitch on the outside edge of the pattern line. This will anchor our stitch across the top of the wing. Now we come up along the pattern line for the bottom of the wing and continue with the regular outline stitch. As we continue, you can see the accuracy and clarity of the outline along both edges of the wing. Please join us for our next video, the Couching Stitch A, Filling In. Tapestry kits from the Saga Tapestry Center are available for purchase from the National Nordic Museum. Please visit the online store, and thank you so much for your support of this project.